Hello, hi beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in today. Sheila here. We are in Bugolobi. On the left here, we have Rainbow International School. They do have a branch this side. This is us on Lithuli Avenue, and we are going to be passing via Morana Road, a little bit of 5th Street, then the 7th Street. Yeah, the previous video I gave you of the industrial area. I was showing you the 6th Street. Now we're going to be checking out the 7th Street and see what is going on, the businesses there, what are people up to, what are people doing. You know how we do it here, right? So muja tugende, you sit and put on your seatbelt and let's go. On the left here we have a school. You see the cars that have come for the students, Look at the cars that have come for the pupils, That is Kisifa over there. Is it international? If it's not international, then it's in the line of international. On the right, through the trees, we do have a new building. Massive, big, long, nice, demure. Those expensive things, the luxurious things. Definitely going to be apartments, those furnished apartments, the courts, those nice things going on like that, but it's almost done. Like any minutes now they are finishing and they'll be done with it. Yeah, so let's carry on and check out what people are doing. We have some offices this side as well. We have some offices. We have some hotels, we have residences. Of course, you can see the fences are fencing because originally this was a residential area, yeah? But you know what they're doing these days, residential or not, you are going to find businessing, You see those gates that you're seeing? They have offices inside there. Yeah. But anyway, let's see what is going on. We have a big building on the left here. Do you see there on the left where the cars are parked? It's called Union House. It has different offices for different things over there. Of course, you're seeing the border guys. That is business, very big business in Kampala. But for you to buy a border, make sure your heart is gumite. If your heart is not gumite, you're going to spend 6 million and you buy a new border. I hear a new one is now 6 million. You're going to spend 6 million and buy a new border, and they're going to drive it or ride it for like 2 weeks. And then the rider is going to come back and is going to say that they've beaten him up and they've taken the border. But that doesn't happen to everyone. There are some people who have been successful. They've bought them and they found good people to help them, ride them and give them the money. There are those who found the good ones, and then there are those who were unlucky. But all in all, whichever business you want to start up in Kampala, whatever it is, make sure your heart is gumite, because on the ground, kuground but nonetheless, of course, I'll keep on telling you to make the money legally or illegally. Just make sure you make the money. If you're buying the borders, if you're putting your hardwares, if you're growing your tomatoes, whatever it is, make the money, invest the money, live a better life. That is the goal. So anyway, on the left here, we have Nice House of Plastics. You've seen the word over there, right? The guys who make the plastics, the cups, the chairs, the plates. You remember those plates in primary school, yeah? The plates, the cups, the chairs, everything plastic. Them and the Mukwano factory, they've been at this plastic thing for like a long time now, yeah? But this is us at Morana Road right now. And we are going to go down and find ourselves at the 5th Street, and then we carry on to the next and the next. So on the left here, we have Henley Business Park. And just like I keep on telling you, a business park is like this big building, or these big buildings that have different businesses for different people, yeah? So these people, okay, someone builds their building, and then the business owners, they come and then they start putting businesses here and there, yeah? I've shown you the Nakawa Business Park before. There is one we saw yesterday on Yusuf Lule Road. Kale kwegamba bwetu tyo mpola, you know what I'm talking about. So this is Morana Road, and let's see what is going on here. On the right, we have the Uganda Bati showroom. There is a showroom there of Uganda Bati. And this road with potholes, let me tell you something. You've seen that big one. Even if they fix it today, Even if they fix it today, within a week or two, it is going to be back. I do not know if this place is a wetland. Guys, is this place a wetland or something? Eh? The potholes along this lane, even if they fix the day before, if you come back after, you're going to find other potholes. I don't know, something is off here. By the way, on the left we have a very, it's also like a business park. It's like the tile market. I've told you this before. If you want to buy tiles, if you want to buy ceramics, those things for plumbing and all that, you can go there. Inside there is quite a lot going on. You can see the tiles, you can see the plumbing, you can see the ceramics, all those things that you may need for your house. Yeah. On the left, on the right, that is still Uganda Bati showroom. Taking over from the other side to this side. Of course, now those are the people who made money long ago. But we should also start selling iron sheets. Guys, who has some knowledge of iron sheets? Who among you here has some knowledge of how to make iron sheets, and we start selling iron sheets? Because people are building every day. You know what I mean? People are constructing every day. People need those hardware things. People need the iron sheets. So for you, if you studied your chemistry and you know how to put together these things, hurry up and come, because I keep on telling you, we are making this legally or illegally. We are going to make this money, and we are going to do what we have to do. So on that track there, we have the mobile toilets. Someone came here and they mentioned in the comments that mobile toilets, if you start that business, within a year you will be among the richest people in Kampala. I do not know how true that is. Someone here in the comments assured us that the business of mobile toilets, taking them to concerts, to weddings, here and there, and you can be a millionaire or a billionaire very soon. Anyway, my job is to show you what is going on, what are people doing, so that you also figure out what you want to do with your money and with your life. So this is the 5th Street, this road that we're on right now, the 5th Street. Then on the right, that road going to the right, is the 6th Street. You remember the previous video of the industrial area? We took that one, the 6th Street, and we saw what was going on and the concrete they had laid. You guys told me in the comments that the tarmac was not cutting it. They first tried to put tarmac and it failed, and then finally they said they should put the concrete, and now the concrete is working out fine and all that. Now you see these border guys. These guys are always messing around for whichever reason. Anyway, if you take the left takes you to Namuwango. If you take the left, it takes you to Namuwango, where the train used to pass, because it doesn't pass there anymore. Namuwango there, where the train used to pass, and then Namuwango Road, and then you can go all up to Muyenga, or all up to wherever you want to go. Bukasa, there is a video where we took that side, and then I showed you what was going on in Muyenga, Bukasa, the nice fancy houses and all that, yeah? So, somewhere here, is it somewhere here on the left, there is that company that mixes paint. If there is a color you want, you go and you check out the chart, the color chart, and you pick the color you want, and then they mix it for you somewhere here on the left. But they are still there. This is the industrial area now. So new building on the left, new building on the right. And guys, remember, wherever you're saying a new building, there was an old building. An old building, somebody buys it, they break it, and then they put their new building. New building on the left again, because people are not sleeping. People are not sleeping. People are looking for money. People are not sleeping. People are investing. Whoever is not looking for the money, whoever is not investing, we are going to leave you behind. On top of leaving you behind, leaving you behind comes with chiboko. We don't just leave you behind like that. We don't just leave you behind like that. After being kind severely, we leave you behind, and for us, we carry on. So anyway, somewhere on the right, I think we've passed by it. There used to be, I think it's still there. There used to be this place for hanging out. I've forgotten the name. I've forgotten the name, but we used to go there during COVID. Kampala coffee something. There is a place there. It used to be there. I haven't been there in a minute, but I think it's still there. It used to be nice with, you know, the live band music. You know that live band music, it came to life so much during the lockdown days, those days of lockdown where you would sneak out and go and meet there, and then the live band would sing, and then it would stop at 7 because of the curfew, but the music would still play. I've remembered. Wild Coffee Bar is there. I'm not sure if it's still functioning, but it used to be there where we have just passed. Wild Coffee Bar. So anyway, guys, you see the road on the left here. The road on the left takes you to Namuongo Road. That road there, if you go up like that, it takes you to Namuongo Road. And then Namuongo Road takes you, the other side takes you to Namuongo. Then the other side takes you to the 8th Street of Industrial Area. This is the 7th Street. And of course, you know, our roads are narrow. You cannot overtake. You cannot overtake if another car is coming from the other side. The only time you can overtake is when you are alone in the lane. But when you're not alone in the lane, overtaking is not possible. As you can see, you have to wait. You wait. Anyway, let's see what people are doing here. But most of the buildings are old now, just like you see that one on the right. And then the fences are also looking. Now you see that one on the right. These buildings, about what? I don't know. People abandoned them. People are working in them. They're going to break them down and put for us others. I do not know. But let me show you what is going on. So guys, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for coming back over and over. I do appreciate you. Drop me a comment. Let me know the areas you'd like to see. Let me know what you think about everything that we are seeing today. In case you've liked the video, please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment, subscribe to the channel. People paying for membership, thank you very much. And everybody at large, everyone who is here, you take your time, you come, you watch, you enjoy. We enjoy together, we laugh together. Nemba waku Lugambo, you give me some Lugambo in the comments. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Everybody supporting the channel, giving me work. My number is up there in the corner. I do airport pickups and drop-offs. I drive around Kampala. I drive up country, outside Kampala, wherever. Wherever, whenever, and whatever else. Mobumpimpi hustler is the words, checking on your land, checking on your projects, doing a bit of this and a bit of that. Whatever we have to do legally or illegally, we are going. We are going to look for that body. So anyway, for all of you guys who are giving me work, thank you very much. And all of you who are just saying, Sheila, me, I feel nice when you enjoy my money. Guys, I appreciate all of you, yeah? So this road, sometimes it's closed, sometimes it's not. Sometimes you can pass. And then, actually, like in the morning, you can pass. And then when you come back in the afternoon, it is closed. And then in the evening, you can pass. The road construction on this one, it has taken ages, Over they construct and then they reconstruct, I don't know, something goes on. But at this point, I also got tired of trying to understand everything. So I just leave everything the way it is and show you what is going on. So I'm seeing Uganda Electoral Commission here on the left. Is this where they shifted to? Yeah? Do you remember they used to be there on Ginger Road, the traffic lights of Ginger Road there as you join Yusuf Lule? Do you remember? And now I'm seeing it over there, so I do not know. Did they shift and come this side, or what exactly is going on? What are they doing there? Anyway, let me know. For those of you who know, could you please be kind and let us know? So we are almost joining the roundabout. There is a roundabout somewhere there that leads us to Mukwano Road, and then the other side to Access Road. We are almost there, but this has been the 7th Street of Industrial Area. Yeah, we have cars parked here. I'm seeing cars that have National Water, the logo of National Water. Maybe they have offices around here because you're seeing them. Yeah, you're seeing the pickups. Yeah. I'm thinking they have offices here because they literally have offices everywhere. Anyway, this is the roundabout of Access Road. The other side, if you take the right that we are not taking, it is Access Road. It leads you to Ginger Road. Yeah, Ginger Road is just somewhere there, and then the train passes somewhere there. Of course, we've passed here like countless times, many times, countless times. Now we are joining Mukwano Roads. This forward that we are moving is Mukwano Road, and the video is going to stop somewhere there, just somewhere there, yeah. Video is soon coming to an end. Of course, you know, I have to remind you to make money. I have to urge you to be good people. You guys, being a good person is important. Be good people. Make as for the money, legally or illegally, make it. Your heart, make sure it is nice and clean. On the left there, that road, that is the 8th Street, there, that road that we've not taken on the left, that's the 8th Street. And now this is Mukwano Roads, moving forwards all the way up to the flyover. If you keep on going, it takes you all the way up to the flyover, yeah. So this has been it for today, guys. The sun is sunning because the rainy season is like almost gone. In fact, gone. So we are going to have quite a lot of sun. The sun is sunning, everything is here, the green is greening, the weather is beautiful. Kampala is being Kampala. So you see that road there, that road on the left, it takes you to Chibuli. That is Press House Road. It takes you up to Chibuli. Then, of course, on the right, we have the Mukwano factory. And then on the left, we have the CID. Moving forward like that. So, guys, please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment, subscribe to my channel. Let me know the areas you guys would like to see. And when I get a chance to pass by, I will definitely bring you the area, yeah? If I've passed through any of your areas, you know what to do. Chiboko is still alive. Making money, that is a must. Alright, guys, protect yourselves, and I'll be seeing you in our next video, yeah? Alright, bye-bye. See ya.